In our previous video I had shown how to convert an object to group. Today we will see how to convert an object to component. Create an object like a box, for instance. Select the object to convert and right-click. You can see Make Component option. Once you click, you will get a dialog box where you can give your component a name for easier access. For example, I will give a name as box and click Create. Now the object is converted to component. Now we will see the difference between a group and component. For example, if you create another box and convert it into a group as shown earlier. Now make multiple copies of both the objects. Now this group of objects is components and this group of objects is in group. If you double-click on an object in group and modify, you can observe the modifications only apply for the selected object. But if you double-click on an object which is in component and try to modify, you can see that the modifications are applied to all the component objects which you have copied. You have to decide in your project that where to use component or group as per your requirement. Thanks for watching. Learn with Arjun's architectural designs.